It's Lexo, baby.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Maxima. Yes, sir. What's up with YouTube gang? We back here with another video. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. What we doing today is a grill installation. You dig? So, let me just show y'all. Let me put this back. Now I'm just showing the before and after. So this is the before. The grill installation. Those are two of the grills. This is the top, of course. That's the bottom. Top, bottom. So they have, I believe this is 8 screws. Boom, boom, or 8 clips. They're all right there. Boom, boom. I use this, but you can use a flat head or your finger if your finger's strong enough. Boom, boom, that's 4, boom, boom, 6, boom, boom, 8. So you take that off, capiche, bow. And then with this, I already got it pre-done, but when you look down there, there's clips. Let me see, there's clips, just like that. How you see that one right there, boom. The one right there, boom. There's 2 in the middle, boom. Boom, and then boom, and then boom on the other side. 6 on the bottom, 6 on the top. Those clips, and that just pops right out. So those clips that are connected to the actual car are right there, boom, boom, the black ones. And then boom, that's 3, boom, boom, and then boom, 3. So 3 and 3 on each side, top and bottom. Altogether comes with 12. And then top comes with 6, bottom comes with 6. And then the bottom one, we haven't done yet. Haven't gotten that far yet. Just want to let y'all know that we doing the grill installation. Both of them right there. Looking at aluminum. Shiny. But, yeah. I'll come back to y'all once the top piece is on, and I'll show you how we took off the bottom piece. Capiche? So, alright, we back.
Pull it back out of there. Pull it back out of there.
So that doesn't even actually come out.
No.
You just put this against there. And they give you all the screws and stuff right there.
Go up here, go right there. And then slide right up in there and catch them to the bottom of the piece and hold it.
Alright. And this one, this one, this slides. Slides like this. Slides there. Just like that.
But this shouldn't be scratching right here. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. That fit me just like that. With the clips that they gave us. And that clips fit inside there. And then on the other side right there. You gotta push that in more. Yeah, and for the top too. Yeah, actually, yeah, so this, you don't even take that off. This just fits right in here. Just like this. And then the screws that they give you, you just hook it from the factory one. Okay. New look for the Maxima. Okay. Oh no, I ain't even looking at the directions. I just.
It shows you right here. Right there, I'm gonna show you.
Yeah.
Click up. Top up. Click up. Just click in there. Once you get through there, it snaps in.
Yes, sir.
It don't take but a second. Oh, you gotta start reading the instructions.
I don't read the sections. I just do it.
I know. That's what the problem is, man.
I'll hit y'all back when the finished product is done. And we're back again.
Huh?
I'll show you the next review.
Lexo, baby.
So these, all you have to do is really follow the instructions. And just put that clip on this little guard, then screw it through here, screw it through the main frame. Same with these little ones. Same with these ones over here. And then you just leave that on. This goes like this, goes to the bottom. But hold on, let me set you up real quick. Yes.
It's Lexo, baby.
You put those? Or did you use the other one on already? Everything is dumped on the bottom, you see it easily do.
I know I am doing this shot here.
Everything is dumped on the bottom. It's so easy, it's pathetic. Some people like to argue with some people. Some people is.
It's yourself, huh? It's yourself, huh?
Yeah, it's myself. Myself named Emmanuel.
Why you like arguing with yourself?
Myself named Emmanuel.
It's not good to argue with yourself.
I know. Myself named Emmanuel. That's who I am arguing with. You can't find it? You want me to do it?
It's not acting funny.
It ain't acting funny, it's the operator.
Watch, you see what I'm talking about? Watch, go ahead. Nah, wait.
No, there's nothing. Take it loose. Always on hold it. You have to have it loose enough so you can put the thing past there. And then push it on that top of that thing. You got it on there? Take too long. Take it too long.
I only got one hand down here.
Oh, put both hands in.
I can't.
You can. I'm going to show you how to do things. I used to work by myself all the time. Get in the car by myself.
You didn't do this type of stuff, though.
Yes, I did. I did all kinds. Frames and everything. I told you what you got on there?
Yep.
Did it work?
Yeah.
you just want me to show you up, did the bottom picture's already in there.
Yeah, that's good. That's good, yep.
What's wrong, man, Manuel? It's in there?
Yeah.
You not take nothing off. Just put on top
All right,
of
man,
it.
here we go. We back again. So I just want to let y'all know to see the finishing touches. Y'all pretty much already know what I did for the top and bottom. So, bam. That's the grand finale right there, Cuddy. Yes, sir. It's all shiny. I look good. It's a new look. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. for the bottom ones, it was pretty much just regular screws for the bottom ones, and then they had 4 screws, 2 on each corner, 2 on that corner, so 4 together, and the same thing for the top one. It was just 2 kind of semi in the middle, and then 2 semi in the other middle. So that was really just it. And they gave you clips instead of screws, so it was pretty cool installation. I got it from Amazon, came pretty quick. But other than that, it's a wrap for the video. I hope y'all liked it. Yes, sir. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that post notification bell. Share this video, cause I got the best Maxima out. Cause you can't look at that. That look beautiful. I know you see my reflection through here. Aluminum, shiny. So alright, man. I hit your bag with another. I need to come up with a name for my video. I ain't gonna say banger. But everybody says that. I'm probably just gonna say like episode. Yeah, I'm probably finna say episode because I ain't never heard nobody say it. Welcome back, YouTube. This is another episode. Alright, yeah. Gotta come up with your own stuff on the fly. You feel me? So, alright. This is the end of this episode. You dig? The best Maxima out. You dig? If anybody think they got a better Maxima than me, send me the pictures. Send me the link. So I can go check them out. Go check them out. Maybe I can go race them. They don't want to smoke. Right, man. I hit y'all later. Me and the Maxima. We love y'all. Until next time. Bye.